Top 5 Manual Can Opener. Number 5. Beneno Manual Can Opener. The Beneno Manual Can Opener with magnet and sharp blade ensures smooth, safe can opening with its high-carbon steel blade and precision gears. The razor-sharp blade cuts lids smoothly, preventing jagged edges. Enhanced with eco-friendly rubber handles and a large effort-saving knob, it offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, even with oily hands. Ideal for the elderly and those with arthritis, the knob twists 360 degrees in both directions. A strong suction magnet lifts lid safely, keeping hands away from sharp edges. This multifunctional tool also includes a bottle opener. Number 4. PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener. The PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener ensures smooth, safe edge cuts without leaving jagged edges, protecting your fingers. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, it is durable and rust-resistant. Its ergonomic design, easy turn knob, and comfortable crank handle make opening cans effortless and quick. This lightweight and portable can opener is perfect for travel or camping and can open all types of round and oval cans. It features a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. The opener's innovative design prevents the blade from touching food, ensuring cleanliness. Number 3. Original Gorilla Grip Can Opener. The original Gorilla Grip heavy-duty can opener boasts a powerful 100% stainless steel blade that easily punctures all types of cans and is rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Its heavy-duty construction features an extra-large turn knob and oversized handles for effortless opening. The soft-touch, slip-resistant handles provide a cushioned grip, reducing pressure and tension for ease of use. Designed for a smooth, continuous cut, it securely latches to the can's lip, eliminating jagged edges. This versatile tool includes a built-in bottle opener and is ideal for opening round, square cans, and bottles. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Manual Can Opener. The OXO Good Grips soft-handled manual can opener offers comfort and ease in opening cans. Its large, cushioned handles provide a non-slip grip, even when wet, reducing strain on hands. The oversized knob turns effortlessly, minimizing the effort needed to open cans. Made with a sharp, sturdy stainless steel cutting wheel, it ensures reliable performance. Additionally, it features a built-in bottle opener for added versatility. Number 1. KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener is designed for effortless and efficient use. Its durable, razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel easily pierces and smoothly slices through cans, while the large, easy-to-turn knob ensures a secure grip for simple operation. The oversized, ergonomic handles provide maximum comfort and control, ensuring safe use. This 2-in-1 tool also features an integrated bottle opener, making it versatile for any sized can or bottle. Ideal for any kitchen, it combines functionality and convenience in one handy gadget. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.